Hi folks, please say hi to my new MERN stack project. This is going to be a big scale project, so I will post my presentations as I go. So what I have done so far, I created this homepage and I created a protected route. I created login and register pages. I connected the website to my MongoDB, created the server with Node Express, and I built a user authentication system with Node using JSON Web Token. Before showing you the homepage, I just want to go to register page and create an account for us. We can do that by simply clicking on the sign up button up here and we get the register form. As you are all familiar with register forms, I implemented some criteria that the user input has to satisfy. Unless the minimum requirements are met for a field in the form, we see this asterisk that implies something is wrong actually with this field. If I attempt to send the form without providing valid form data, let's try it, register, we get this warning. Please double check the fields with asterisk. So let's enter some valid form data. Once we click on a field, let's say username, we get the guidelines for that specific field. For example, username must be 8 characters long and must include only letters and numbers. An email, please enter a valid email address. And the password must be 8 characters, etc. All right, then we will create a valid username as such. 8 characters long and only letters and numbers. Let's say freedom 6. Yeah. As soon as the requirement has been met, the asterisk goes away, as you can see, and we know that we're done with that field. We're done with the username. But if I distort the username, delete 6, we get it back. Username must be 8 characters long, etc. If I enter a symbol or a sign instead of a number or a letter, maybe a comma, we get the warning again. Yeah, 8 characters long, but not only letters and numbers. We can't use symbols. So I will delete the comma and put the number 6 again. Yeah, we have a valid username. To make sure that the user provides valid data, I used different regular expressions for each field in the form. Now we can enter our email. If I enter some random data here, it's not going to work. But if I replace this with an email, say john at gmail.com, the asterisk goes away and we can go on. Now we need to choose a password for our registration form. Let's do that. Our password is going to be Mr. Moody 7. Yeah. And then we need to confirm the password. So again, Mr. Moody 7. Yeah. But in case of a mismatch, let's say instead of Mr. Moody 7, I will change this into Mr. Moody 8. Yeah, here we go. Please make sure that you confirm your password. All right, I'll do that. I will make it Mr. Moody 7 again. Now we have a valid form with all fields satisfying the minimum requirements. Now, as soon as I hit register, we will see a feedback for 2 seconds and it's going to say successfully registered as an auctioneer because this is an auction website and we register as an auctioneer. By the way, I forgot to mention the basic purpose of the website. This is going to be an auction platform where people can bid for different items and they can be a part of auctions rather than a simple or conventional marketplace. Yeah, I'll just do that and we will see a small animation before being directed to the login page. As soon as we successfully register as an auctioneer, we are directed to the login page. Yeah, Let's do that. Once the form data is valid, we can send the request. But no, we have a problem. Email already registered. Please try another one. Yeah, once the form data is valid, we can send requests to the server and access the MongoDB, but this time the email is already taken. That's the feedback we get from the server. So it shows that we successfully connected to the server and the database. So I'll change this John at Gmail to john6 at gmail.com. And now we can register, I hope so. And we will see this small animation and we are going to be directed to login page. Let's do that. Yeah, here we go. And now we get the login page.